That's why I just get something, I think, you know. I can't get you just all snacks because I'm thinking that's a lot because I didn't know how big it is, or, you know, it's my first time ordering stuff like that.
It's okay to get me nothing. Just remember that. It's like, I really didn't want anything.
You're so funny, Claude. Is this the same or different from the other one? What's that? Candy? I'm just so scared because I really don't want you to have like so much candies, and I thought it's a big box, but it's like 50, I think, or something.
For both of them?
No, just one box. Yeah, all of the it's not all expensive, but all of that is like 100 something. But what I'm saying is it's just a trinkets that I'm thinking that you can use. That's why I get it, and it's supposed to be item. The pen's supposed to be made in Japan. Maybe and it's open too. Maybe we should return it. Do you think? I don't want China. Hi, baby, mama. Hi. You opening gifts too? Hi, Nana. Shh, Nana. Hi. Hi, pretty baby, mama. Hi. How you doing? Maybe we should return this. You think? Look at the inside if you like it. If you don't like it, we can return it because I don't want China made. I want Japan. That's the reason why I bought it is because I want Japan pen. You can open it and look at the pen. Baby, Baba. Oh. How about the ugly? Don't like it?
Fine.
It sucks. I just.
I don't really care where it's from. It's not the look.
Yeah, but I want you to keep it like there's something about it. It's from Japan. I even bought the stuff decoration for Japan, but I didn't want to because the smell of the balloon is. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
You ordered the decorations?
Yeah, Japan too. It's in the office. I didn't because the balloon it smells yuck.
All my dignity would be gone if you wouldn't put that up.
I thought you loved Japan, about all Japan, you know.
It's like the snacks.
Hi, hello. She got close. Nana, you're so pretty, Nana. Hi. Everybody hurry. You want some cake too? You want some birthday cake too? Come on. Shh. No, no. No, no.
The cream is melting.
Oh.